Porra! Mãe, será que isso daí não vai...
A ver, chavo, mira si está la carretera. Yo creo que no va a haber paso, no vamos a tener paso aquí por San Antonio, ya para llegar a Cuautepec, mire, para que le vayan checando. Yo creo que no vamos a tener paso, ya se cortó la carretera, miren, para que le vayamos checando.
Mexico has experienced a severe wave of flooding in recent days, causing significant human and material losses. Authorities reported an unprecedented volume of water, prompting the media to describe today's floods in Mexico as one of the most violent natural disasters in the country in recent years. These floods in Mexico have submerged entire residential neighborhoods, cut off major roads, and damaged electricity and water networks. Rescue teams faced significant difficulties due to the torrential floods in Mexico, which quickly swept through villages and cities. In northern Mexico, authorities declared a state of emergency after floods reached dangerous levels, prompting the evacuation of thousands of residents for fear of further landslides. Local media described the situation as a flood that swept across Mexico, threatening the lives of thousands. Experts confirm that climate change and increased rainfall are the main causes of this disaster. They also warned of continued bad weather and the possibility of repeated flooding today in the coming weeks, which requires greater preparedness from the government and the population. Please support us by liking and subscribing to the channel to receive all the latest updates.